Oil pump assembly. Install new gasket. Install the oil pump with driver gear. Carefully install the pump, as it can be mounted in only one position. Use 8mm T-spanner. Tighten the bolts. Apply the torque. One-way clutch dismantle. Rotate and take out the tooth crown electric starter. Remove 3 socket head screws. Remove the elastic pin. Remove the hub. Remove the rollers and springs. One-way clutch assembly. Install the rollers and springs on hub. Ensure the correct position. Install 3 socket head screws. Rotate and install the tooth crown electric starter. One-way clutch assembly. Install one-way clutch assembly, along with crown starter, on crankshaft. Install the washer. Install crank hex nut. Install the special tool on crankshaft hex nut. Install crankshaft holding special tool on the crankshaft. Install rotor assembly check nut. To avoid the damage to the crankshaft, do not try to hold the crankshaft by any other method. Check springiness of relief valve spring. Check the condition of oil pressure relief valve. If worn out, replace with new one to avoid low oil pressure in the system. Apply some oil. Install the relief valve. Install the spring. Install the bolts. Apply torque.